Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a headlight switch in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. If you need any parts for your car, you can click on the link below in the description and it'll take you over to 1aauto.com. All right, to remove this headlight switch, we're gonna push the dial in and turn to the right. And then we're gonna pull it out. That pushes these clips down, as you can see. I'm gonna push that in, turn it. Pushes those down. To get the tab, we've got a connector here. We're gonna push down on the tab, pull it right out. To install the headlight switch, I'm gonna put the connector back in, line it up, line the headlight switch up, straight up and down. And then unlock it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.